Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Hub. Today we are going to conjure up some magical vibes with the bewitching nail design. Get ready to rock some weekly cool witch hat nails. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Prep and paint. Start by preparing your nails, file and shape them to your desired length. Then apply a base coat to your natural nails. Once the base coat is dry, grab a deep, mysterious shade like black or dark purple and paint all your nails with it. This will be the base color of our witch hat design. Let it dry completely. Step 2. Hat outline. Now it's time to create the outline of the witch hat. Take a thin brush or a nail art pen and dip it into a contrasting color like silver or gold. Starting from the base of your nail, draw a diagonal line towards the tip, then draw a shorter diagonal line from the tip back towards the base. Create a triangular shape. Fill in the triangle with the same color, leaving the tip of your nail blank. Step 3. Hat detailed. Let's add some enhancing details to your witch hat. Using the same thin brush or nail art pen, draw a small buckle or a crescent moon shape at the base of the hat. You can also add some stars, spiders, or other spooky element to make it extra magical. Step 4. Hat band. To give your witch hat some dimension, draw a thin band around the base of the hat using contrasting colors. This can be a different shade of the base color or even a metallic color like silver or gold. Make sure to let it dry before moving on to the next step. Step 5. Finishing touches. Allow your witch hat nails to dry completely and then seal the design with a glossy top coat. This will protect your nail art and give it a polished finish. You can also add some extra sparkle by applying a glittery top coat or adding rhinestones to the headband. And there you have it, my friends. You've just conjured up some fabulous witch hat nails. I can't wait to see your magical creations, so don't forget to share them with me. Have a spellbinding time rocking.